Do these marijuana stocks still have what it takes? Within the cannabis industry, there are two main types of pot stocks to watch. On one hand, we have the big marijuana stocks. These are the largest growers of cannabis and usually have extremely large market caps to match. While these marijuana stocks can be a great addition to one's portfolio, they often can be quite volatile too. Depending on one's strategy, big cap marijuana stocks can be a great way to get in the cannabis industry. But if we dive even deeper, we find that there is a lot of value in the small and mid-cap area, as well as these pot stocks could also be involved in growing cannabis, but their market caps are simply less than the largest companies in the industry. For this reason, they often do not get nearly as much attention as the top 5 marijuana stocks to watch. Despite this, these companies can offer a very great amount of potential for the present and near future. One of the largest marijuana stocks in the industry. Cronos Group Inc. is widely regarded as being one of the largest marijuana stocks in the industry. Cronos stock has made headway for producing extremely large quantities of cannabis for sale in Canada and abroad. Currently, Cronos stock is trading at around 100 times its yearly sales, which is quite expensive. But investors may be able to find a low point where it would make sense to get in. Since March, Cronos stock has climbed by at least 70%. This type of gain has been witnessed throughout the cannabis industry in that time period, but large gains alone are not enough to warrant a company being considered a pot stock to watch. Rather, analysts have put a price target for Cronos stock at around $7.25. This valuation means that Cronos Group could have a lot of growth left in the next few months. And as one of the largest pot stocks in the industry, market growth means growth for Cronos. An extraction service provider, marijuana stock. MediPharm Labs Inc. is one of the most popular ESPs in the cannabis industry. Analysts have stated they believe that MediPharm stock could post very solid sales growth throughout next year. With the COVID pandemic, we have seen the rapid rise in the amount of demand for cannabis and derivative products. Because of this, analysts have put MediPharm stock at showing 93% in sales growth for the 2021 fiscal year. The majority of this should come as both demand for derivatives is up and the demand for producing derivatives via contract is also up. Both of these factors should greatly influence the price of MediPharm stock moving into next year. For those who don't know, derivatives are also included in every edible cannabis product. This includes edibles, beverages, tinctures, and more. More and more people have become comfortable with the idea of consuming cannabis in this way, leading to more demand growth. All in all, MediPharm Labs remain a solid pot stock to watch.